Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Prime Video enthusiast looking to supercharge your streaming experience by adding extra channels like HBO, Starz, or Paramount Plus, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to guide you through the straightforward process step by step, so you can start enjoying more content in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account on the Prime Video app or website. If you're not already signed in, just enter your credentials and hit login. Once you're in, head over to the Channels section. It's usually right on the home screen or under the menu. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of available channels that you can add. Browse through the options and pick the one that catches your eye. For example, if you love blockbuster movies, go for HBO. Now, when you select a channel, you'll be prompted to subscribe. Click on it, and you'll see the details, including any additional costs. Keep in mind, these are often monthly fees on top of your Prime membership. Go ahead and confirm your subscription. You might need to enter payment info if it's your first time. After that, the channel should appear in your Prime Video library almost instantly. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, double-check your payment method or restart the app. And that's it. You're all set to dive into new shows and movies. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.